g'day, you're with Dennis on the channel RDR. Okay, so what I was meant to say was Taylor Road Farm. Now, back to the video. Which is, well, that'll be what it's called in the future. I just thought I'd show you the big air intake on my new Land Cruiser that I got. The Safari Air Max, if you can see that. Which is a beauty. Graham down at ARB fitted that for me the other day, and that's all about getting more air into the engine. I'm obviously going to upgrade my intercooler and turbo, possibly the injectors, and send it down to Perth Diesel Performance and have a tune. I've already got the aftermarket exhaust fitted. That's the side pipe by Manta. Does a great job. Gets the exhaust gases out of the engine, keeps the engine cool. And that's what it's all about. And then I just put on order a 12,000 pound Xeon winch and a new bull bar, and I'll get side steps and suspension coming. But yeah, she's work in progress, and it's all going well. It's all going well, so stay tuned. Bye.